ASEAN Economic Community or the AEC, and the ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community or the ASCC. Para kang political security community, it tackles the promotion of peace and security. Di ba? Like, imagine, consider yourself as the Philippines, and then the neighbor countries would be your friends, right? So it is better to be at peace with them all the time rather than to fight with them, because you would need each other.
Information Agency, gani ilagin tipo ng tanan ng mga information officers na nagkalain-lain nga ahensyas ng gobyerno sa Western Visayas.
We consider information officers frontliners when it comes to public dissemination. Since this is a big endeavor sa current administration, no? It's the Philippine chairmanship. At the same time, it's the 50th anniversary of the organization.